Don't launch your survey until watching this video with 9 easy steps. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1. The goal. Before starting any survey, it is essential to define a clear objective. What do you want to achieve? Number 2. Target audience. Understanding the target audience is crucial. Number 3. Crafting effective questions. Keep them concise, clear, and avoid bias. Number 4. Structuring your survey. Organize your survey into logical sections. Start with easy and engaging questions. Number 5. Length and timing. Short and focused surveys tend to have higher completion rates. Number 6. Testing and refining. Before launching the survey, it is crucial to test it. Share it with a small group of people, gather feedback. Number 7. Engaging participation. To boost participation, offer something like discounts or exclusive content. Number 8. Analyzing results. Once you've collected responses, it's time to analyze results. Look for patterns, trends, and insights. Visualize your data. Number 9. Actionable insights. Finally, use the survey findings to make data-driven decisions. And that's it. Follow for more tips.